good morning. Today's our topic in Microsoft Excel is formula. Formula is another important part of our Microsoft Excel. In this uh, program, we can also perform mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, maximum, minimum, or logical functions extra. As you can see below the menu bar, there is a formula box, address box. Okay, this is formula box and this is address box. Address box or display the current cell address which is active. Okay, and formula box, this is display when you type text or number, then it display it here. So this is used for it. Okay, now in this section we apply the formula. For this we can type some digits like that. Okay, if any type of calculation you have to do, so first you have number of digits, and after this you can apply the different type of formulas or calculation as you want to do. So from it we can insert function, auto sum, and this is the other function libraries. So there are many way to perform formula options. First we take insert function. From this we can click on insert function and this dialog box open. Which type of function you have to want to do, so you can select from like sum. Okay, so click sum and you select a cell where you want to do its result. So from here select sum and click OK. And it function argument, uh, this dialog box, in this it um, display the range of cell address and click OK. So you can see this is the result of these digits. Okay, if we can select another cell, you can also do function from auto sum option. Click on which type of function you want to do this: count number, max, minimum, average, same, yeah, or more function. Okay, so you can like sum, so you can sum, then it also select a cell, and this is the parenthesis. In this mouse cursor is blinking, so this is for select your range. Okay, and click or press enter. So this is the result of this number. If you are type function from keyboard, the first you select cell, press is equal to, and sum if you want sum, फिर start parenthesis and close parenthesis, and click cursor and select your range and press enter. This is the sum. Okay, so you can different type of function perform from this type calculation. You can also perform average, count number, max, minimum. Okay, so select any cell, like average. You select average, and this is select your range, and this average. This is the average. As you know, average is the total number of sum and from total number of count, you can see. Or the other function we can use is a count number, so you can count. Okay, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On another max, so who is the maximum number, you can select 65. This is a 65. Or min with minimum, so you can select and press enter. The minimum is 10. So this is the functions. You can also use any functions, select from this functions of box. Okay, recently used, it is show the recent formula which are applied on your Excel sheet. Financial, logical, financial. This is used for account related options function. Logical. This is the relational or conditional operation which are used like greater than, is equal to, less than, not is equal to. Okay. Text. You can insert text from here. Date and time. Okay, you can insert date and time from here. Date, day, date value, month, hour, extra. Like you can click on date. Okay, year. So 2020, comma, month 10, or actually 9, and com, comma 22. Okay, so today's date is this, display the date. Lookup and reference is the other functions which are used as a requirement. Math entering and more functions, and these are different type of function which are used as requirement. A different type of requirement which are when you are applying formula, then this is also displaying the formula box like that. This is this max, sum, minimum, average, count. So you can see that which formula we are applied in our MS Excel sheet. So this display also in this. Okay, trace precedence, trace dependent. These are the options which are used to zero indicate which cell affect value of currently select cell. So you can say 7 this. You can select cell 7. This is from this cell. 65. Okay, from this like that. And this is not okay. This is not depend on another cell. And these formulas we are applied is dependent on this cell. And trace dependent is found no found that refer to active cell. So this is also trace dependent. This is a formula which are applied is dependent on the active cell. Okay, and from this so formulas, so you can uh, from these options you can see this different cells applied different type of formulas. Okay, error checking, it display error if present here. Okay, so this is the main feature of your MS Excel sheet. So students, keep practice on it, and this is your MS Excel, the most important part of MS Office, which is used at office, school, home, and this is and create table and for calculation, another function. So keep watching, keep practicing, and keep reading. Have a nice day. Thank you.